Bernard Arnault, the man behind Louis Vuitton, Dior, Tiffany, and the world's most powerful luxury empire, travels in a jet built like a flying haute-couture suite. This is the Dassault Falcon 10X, reimagined in pure LVMH elegance, a new standard of fashion, power, and ultra-luxury at 51,000 feet.
The Falcon 10X reaches Mach 0.925, a fashion rocket slicing through the sky. New York to Dubai, Paris to Buenos Aires, all non-stop. Global luxury without limits. Twin Pearl 10X engines, whisper quiet, brutally powerful, and engineered for French perfection. The 10X has the largest cabin of any Falcon ever built, a flying luxury penthouse. Oversized panoramic windows, the world becomes an art gallery outside the glass. Ultra-low cabin altitude, meaning luxury that feels like you never left sea level. A carbon fiber wing engineered for stability, efficiency, and signature Dassault smoothness. The Horizon cockpit, touchscreens, holographic HUD, and pilot assist AI. 3D turbulence prediction eliminates rough skies before they even form. Self-driving taxi mode, precision movement on every runway worldwide. The quietest Falcon cabin ever. Silence crafted like a luxury perfume. Global K-band internet. Arnault can run LVMH from 51,000 feet. Medical-grade air purification. Fresh luxury every minute. Designed with Dassault's fighter jet DNA. Maximum performance, minimal fuel burn. Low external noise keeps his movements discreet. Perfect for a private luxury empire. Precision landings on shorter runways, exclusive access to hidden luxury destinations. AI assists pilots in every phase, a digital co-pilot engineered for safety. Smart climate adjusts temperature automatically for every zone of the cabin. Anti-fatigue lighting mimics the sun, removing jet lag from long global routes. Multiple redundant systems create a safety shield worthy of the world's richest luxury CEO. Every seat wrapped in custom Dior leather, fashion engineered into comfort. Louis Vuitton monogram inlays, subtle, elegant, unmistakably iconic. A temperature-controlled wine cellar, only the rarest Dom Perignon vintages on board. Lighting inspired by Paris runway shows, dramatic, soft, and artistic. A Parisian-style master suite where five-star comfort meets French interior art. A walk-in dressing room tailored for the world's fashion emperor. An LVMH bar, Moet, Hennessy, Dom Perignon, luxury poured at altitude. The bathroom becomes a Dior spa, a sanctuary of marble, gold, and calm. 8K walls transform the cabin into an art gallery, curated by LVMH digital designers. A private dining salon styled like a Paris boutique hotel. Hand-woven French carpets, every step feels like couture. A Celine-designed sofa for quiet mid-flight relaxation. A business suite crafted for billion-dollar decisions. Tiffany glass accents add subtle brilliance to every corner. An ultra-quiet VIP lounge, a sanctuary in the sky. Ceiling lights sculpt the mood, from golden luxury to Paris night ambiance. SmartGlass walls shift from transparent to opaque in seconds. A rotating display for LVMH-owned artwork. Luxury becomes flight decor. A biometric vault for watches, jewelry, and confidential documents. And finally, the LVMH Lounge, curated like a couture runway, crafted for the world's richest luxury designer.